It's almost Cinco de Mayo. You know what that means? Margarita time! Welcome back, busy girls. When I was in Weight Watchers, I always thought I could not indulge in a margarita. We talked about the calories in a typical margarita, and they run upwards of over 400 calories. And I always thought to myself, chocolate cake, margarita. I'll take the chocolate cake if I'm gonna indulge in 400 calories. Today, busy girls, we are gonna make the most perfect, delicious margarita for only 146 calories. You could actually have two for less calories than one typical margarita. This is a skinny margarita that is amazing. I promise you're gonna love it as much as I do, and you're not gonna feel guilty after you have a drink or maybe two. What you need to make this perfect margarita, the tools I use is a lime juicer and of course a shot glass. I also use a shaker. Obviously, I love my tequila. I have a lot of varieties here. My favorite, however, is the agave tequila. I like the silver. I typically spend a little bit more on my tequila. I think it makes a better drink, but I tell you what, I'm always looking for a good deal or a sale. We're also going to use an organic lime, some agave to sweeten it up, and some Grand Marnier to top it off. We're gonna start by cutting our lime. Yay! My son found this at TJ Maxx and he wanted it for his orange juice. I found what a great little investment because it works well for my margaritas. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the lime juice into the shaker. And then we are going to use 1 shot of tequila. Now I don't measure, so we're just going to put some of this agave in to get it nice and sweet. So I usually just do 2 clops or 2 big squeezes. 2 tablespoons is a serving, and that's about what I use. And then we don't want much of this because we don't want the orange to overpower. So we're just going to do a little dollop. Now some ice. And we're gonna shake it up. I don't salt the rim of my margarita glasses, but certainly you can. I just prefer not to. Go ahead and pour that in. Let's go ahead and garnish this bad boy. There we go, ladies, and now you have the perfect skinny margarita for Cinco de Mayo, and no need to feel guilty. Hey, busy girls, thanks for coming to the channel. I love margaritas. I love you. I'll see you next time.